Which engineering jobs pay the most? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the highest paying engineering jobs in the world. But let's get into the video.
Before that, only 14% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so hit that subscribe button right now and enjoy the video.
I gotta open my computer for the punchline. Well, I hope this video gives you enough motivation to not skip classes, unlike somebody. Okay, so we're gonna be going from bottom to top, and starting at number 10, we have... Let me open the list. Number 10 on the list, we have petroleum engineers, which make about $80,000 a year. Well, if you don't know what petroleum engineers do, you're in luck because neither do I, so we're just gonna move on. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I actually know what they do because I researched it like 5 minutes ago. Petroleum engineers focus on extraction of gas and oil resources. Basically, their job is to find the most efficient way to extract resources, and that is a really difficult task. According to this website, their earnings range from $42,000 a year to $136,000 a year, which is a significant gap. That's about $90,000 a year, which is a really great salary in my opinion. Well, I'll consider anything better than mine since I make $0 a year, so yeah, let's move on. Okay, coming in at number 9, we have chemical engineers. Chemical engineers design and oversee chemical processes and equipment used in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and environmental remediation. I knew that. They work to develop new materials, improve production efficiency, and ensure safety of the environmental complaints. Based on USA resources, on average they earn about $87,000 a year, which puts them at the number 9 of the list. Next on the list we have environmental engineer, which roughly makes about $91,000 a year. Environmental engineers are usually involved in projects related to pollution control, waste management, water treatment, and sustainability initiatives. This way, they work to develop solutions to various environmental problems and protect human health and environment. Make sure to watch until the end of this video because the last ones are gonna blow your socks off. Next on the list we have biomedical engineering, which is my field of study, so allow me to explain this. There's no need for me to open any resources since I know so much about biomedical engineering. So basically, the biomedical engineering field is what specializes in medical devices such as artificial organs or the machines you see at hospitals. You get the points. Biomedical engineers usually make about... How much do they make? They usually make about $94,000 a year in the USA. Must be nice. And their average salary is between $38,000 and $150,000 a year. Must be nice. Now, next on the list we have nuclear engineering. My mouth is dry. Nuclear engineers work with the nuclear energy and radiation to develop systems, processes, and technologies for various applications, including power generation, medical imaging, and nuclear weapons. Jesus Christ. They design and operate nuclear power plants, conduct research on nuclear materials, and ensure safety and security of the nuclear facilities. The average annual pay for nuclear engineers is about $105,000 a year. Although the salaries can range from $26,000 to $150,000 per year, that's a big difference. But still, this is nowhere close to the top 1 on the list. Okay, coming in at number 5, we have aerospace. How do you pronounce this? I gotta look that up, wait. Aerospace. Okay. Aerospace. So coming in at number 5, we have aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineers design, develop, and test aircraft, spacecraft, and missiles. That's so cool, by the way. Ensuring safety and efficiency. They conduct research to innovate flight technology and collaborate with teams to advance in air and space travel. Aerospace. I knew that. The average salary for the aerospace engineering is $108,000 a year. And the salary ranges from $42,000 to $165,000 a year. Let's move on. Okay, so coming in at number 4, we have electrical engineering. If you're not surprised, it's one of the key components of engineering. Electrical engineers design, develop, and test electrical systems and equipment. They work on a wide range of projects, including designing power generation and distribution systems, developing electronic devices, and troubleshooting electrical systems in various industries. Electrical engineering has an average salary of $111,000 per year. I cannot whistle. But talk about high salary, that's a really good paying job. Finally, the time has come. We've come to the top 3 of this video. Everybody watching this video right now, fasten your seatbelts because this is absolutely about to get crazy expensive in terms of salaries. Coming in at number 3, we have computer engineering. I'm sure none of you are surprised. I'm more concerned about the fact that that's only number 3. I was supposed to be expecting that to be like number 1 or number 2 maybe. These professionals design and develop computer hardware and software systems, combining principles from both electrical engineering and computer science. They work on multiple projects, from designing microprocessors to developing software applications and operating systems. Computer engineers earn about $121,000 a year, which is a crazy amount of money. Their salary ranges from $48,000 to almost $140,000 a year. Let's move on to number 2. I'm sure most of you have guessed it probably by now, but it's data engineering. Well, I'm not surprised. Data engineers are in charge of designing, constructing, and maintaining the systems and architecture required for processing and analyzing large volumes of data. They often collaborate with data scientists and analysts to ensure the data quality, reliability, and accessibility for decision-making purposes. Data engineers earn about $44,000. Wait, no they don't. On average, data engineers earn about $130,000 a year.
Data engineers' salaries also range from $44,000 to $177,000 per year. Guys, these numbers are so big that most of you watching this video will never earn this money in your life as a salary. And yes, that also includes me.
Okay, here comes the most anticipated part of this video. The number 1 spot. Averagely speaking, the most earning engineering job in the world. Well, before I read that list, I thought data engineering was gonna be number 1 or computer engineering is gonna be number 1, but it's apparently neither of them. And it is an engineering that I never heard of. Aeronautical. I knew that. Coming in at number 1, we have aeronautical engineering.
On average, these guys earn about $130,000 and $258 per year, but their salaries can range from $49,000 to $205,000 per year.
Aeronautical engineers design and test aircraft, spacecraft, and missiles. That is cool as hell. Focusing on aerodynamics, propulsion systems, and materials. They may work on projects ranging from developing commercial airplanes and military aircraft to designing spacecraft for space exploration missions, aka working at NASA, aka working at NASA or SpaceX. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 10K by the end of this year. It would be much appreciated. Thank you guys so much. Take care.